Here I'm just showing how I'm getting some of my strawberry runners to root, and then I'm going to show you how I transplanted them. I'm here out in Zone 10B, Southern California. I mean, it's November the 10th, and even though it's fall, we're headed into winter, these things still produce some strawberries here and there. Here you can see I use some styrofoam cups, and I use some paper clips to put hold the strawberry runners in the cup, and as you can see, they have rooted after a couple weeks. The main plants here are being grown on a rain gutter grow system. Here you can see one of the runners, and what I did is I just basically used the styrofoam cup, filled it with some soil, and then I inserted it in the side of the grow bag where I cut a slit with the razor blade. As you can see here, I made multiple slits and I have them staggered. So here's just a typical runner growing off the main plant. So here I'm just going to grab a paper clip, and then I'm going to use it to hold it down inside the mini grow bag. So here's a new experiment as I'm using those mini grow bags, and I'm just inserting them in the bottom of the tray, and they'll just wick off the fabric pot. So this grow bag has, whatever the size of it, it left about an inch gap around the bottom of the tray. So I'm going to fill those up with the mini grow bags and then put the runners in there just to test it out and see how that works out. So this is my third year using this rain gutter grow system. The way it works, there's a gutter down the middle of it, and there's a float valve which will fill up the water automatically when it goes low. Then the water wicks up through a net cup on the bottom into the trays. And I would say the strawberry plants really do well on the RGSS, the rain gutter grow system. Be sure to check out part 2, as I'll be showing you how I transplant these strawberry runners, and I put them into the mini grow bags. And as you can see, they look like they're doing quite well, and they're using the same logic here. The grow bags wick up from the bottom of the tray and there's sand on there, and then there's a net cup that auto waters them. And again, be sure to check out part 2, as I'll show you how I transplanted the runners from the styrofoam cups to these mini grow bags. And as you can see, it looks like they're working quite well.
There's a little town somewhere, the only thing you hear at night is that old mill humming. The only time traffic backs up is when that old sweet Norfolk Southern train's humming. With me and a dog on it.